If YouTube voice search is not working on your Google TV, don't worry. I had the same problem. And thankfully, it is usually pretty easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you a few simple things you can try. You should be back to using voice search in just a few minutes. First, check your remote. Press the Google Assistant or microphone button. Then speak clearly. If nothing happens, your remote may not be connected properly. Try pressing and holding the home button and the back button at the same time. Keep holding them for a few seconds. This can restart the remote connection on some Google TV devices. Next, check your internet connection. Go to Settings. Then select Network and Internet. Make sure your Google TV is connected to Wi-Fi. If the internet is working, open YouTube again and test voice search. Still not working? Try restarting your Google TV. Go to Settings. Select System. Then choose Restart. Wait for the TV to completely restart. Once it comes back on, open YouTube and test the microphone again. Another thing to check is the YouTube app. Go to Settings. Select Apps. Find YouTube. Then choose Force Stop. After that, open YouTube again. You can also clear the app cache if needed. Finally, check for system updates. An outdated Google TV system can sometimes cause problems with voice features. Go to Settings, System, and About. Then check for updates. These fixes are simple, but they can solve most voice search problems. If voice search still doesn't work after trying everything, the issue could be with the remote itself or the microphone.